shoes now. Do you like my non-laces shoes?
Be so heavy.
Do you like my non-laces shoes? I so want to. Mr. Morris said he wants to.
Yeah.
Do you like my non-laces shoes?
Okay.
Huh?
This is the game, Black. This is the
I've upgraded my shoes. Do you have a shower? No, when we yeah, I know.
You want
Do you like my
Boy, do you want the pit boys to win, man? Even though we...
Is it towel? Look, do you like my non-laces shoes?
pink ones are fun.
Because if the blacks win,
Chip boys.
if the blacks score more than...
No, what is pink? They have a towel.
They're the ones who
Just smack them chip. Yeah, so it
Was that
everything
win?
that means we're through.
Chip guys!
Okay.
Black win, then we must
this is
they have to score more than we do.
They have to score.
Black win.
Yeah. They have to score. They have to score less. For them to get it, they need to score 56 points. Now you get 56 points. Yeah, 56 points.
Gynnau sydd yn cael ei chwarae rwan, so the games are being played now. Ar cael rhif 1, pitch number 1, Bryn Tawe yn erbyn Gwyn East Boys. Ar cael 4, pitch number 4, Siglo Stans yn erbyn Cwmryn Neu Gwyngyl. Cael 6, pitch number 6, Gwyn yn erbyn Garthol. Cael 5, pitch number 7, Rod yn Hefor yn erbyn Llan Harry. Cael 8, pitch number 8, Cwmryn Neu Gelli Haf yn erbyn Cwmran. Cael 10, pitch number 10, Sant Richard yn erbyn Hwfwrdd. Cael 2, pitch number 2, Trioci yn erbyn Sant Iwan.
Yes! Look at this gap! Make that gap! Oh, let's go back in here! Come on, pass that! Good ball.
Yeah, I know that.
They won, they lost, and that means we lost.
Oh no! No, if they both score less than us, we win.
No, we're only worried about the blacks.
Yeah,
Because we beat the blacks. The blacks can't score 6. No, how? The black, we just don't want the blacks.
What's up?
Almost. They're down there.
I think we lost against the Blacks and then we won against them.
So they have been!
But then they win against the Pinks. No, then the Pinks win against them. I don't know how. Hey Chris, I don't know how, what you are. Oh no, but I don't know how you didn't tackle. I don't know how you didn't tackle that girl. Yeah, I know, but you don't want to squeeze your tits off any of the connection. So I didn't tackle.
Yeah, Idris, you just stood there like.
I know.
What do you mean, Tyler? You haven't done shit this whole
Oh boys, look at my legs.
You broke the one time and then you scored a try, so I'll do it to you. No, you
I scored one try.
Yes.
I scored 2.
I scored on the bench.
I'm on a pill.
I scored a spot on the bench.
I reckon one try is a lucky shot. Thank you.
Brod in Hefor, please cerwch i cael sites mae'r gêm chi yn dechrau rwan. Brod in Hefor, please make your way to pitch number 7, your game is starting now.
You're gonna reuse. COVID's a thing. You run out of toilet paper? Don't put that on me again. Oh, yes. Was it not you? No! I was from my foot, so I didn't do it.
I can find something but no, I think that's all. Charlie one.
I reckon Charlie's called double tops.
Double digit.
Right, boys, Nadie gone. 10, 11, 12.
Nadie gone.
Look at the staff. Stop. Them legs like funny. You know, hablar building a volcano.
Tell me when you're
Sticky finger in it.
I'm going to throw it. I'm going to throw it. I'm going to
make a birthday cake.
actually tell me.
I'm gonna throw it.
Throw it at it. Coming up at least.
Oh, you gotta win.
You've got to win.
King guy, you've gotta win, okay? I'm gonna throw it.
That will go the next game of 4 o'clock. Our time is 1 85 and has been door rowing. Our time died on this to the 2 Roma Daniel and has been thrown. And then our time has gone this to the 4 after the road and has been James Helena. Kai Quake, pitch number 6, Crystal Ukraine, Kai 6, Cardiff High, and has been good Kerry Henry. Kai Strike, pitch number 7, Kai Leon, and has been a punt. Kai Ois, pitch number 8, Shannon Henry.
He wants to make a snowman. I'm trying to make a birthday cake.
Sorry, Kai Ois, Shannon Reed, and has been Brave Big. Kai Day, pitch number 10, He's wide, and has been Keith Howell. Kai Inner League, pitch 11, Squam Farm, and has been Castle Newman.
Get my top, get my oh my god! What have you done? Oh my god! This is my creek! This is your William, don't stand on it! No, don't touch it!
It's really jiggly.
Take some of my shoes!
Becky, I think I can use my foot on as well as now. Becky, so can I get a few off of it?
tower. Stay out, Jordan. Yes, in the scrum. There's a high. Get Mars from that. Yes, get Mars from that. Declan, Mars for Jordan, right? Turn over.
Stop pushing!
Good, yes, Finn. How does he sell, right? Big push, Joe Crocker. Yes, Finn, he sell.
Stop pushing, then the ball comes, stop pushing!
Come on, Deck. Oh. Declan, let's go, Joseph. How's Mars for that? Joseph, Mars. Joe, kill Mars. Joe, go now. Pass, pass. Pass. Yes, Dave.
In my mouth, and he saw it.
He was like,
Hey, Jordan. Fire. Go on, Finley, mate. Pass, pass, pass. Go on, Jude. Oh, unlucky, Finley. Go on, Jordan, mate.
I think you're not in the tower.
Oh yeah. Creation, you had